Welcome back. Member of National Advisory Council Aruna Roy has disagreed with the Prime Minister's remarks on reviewing RTI at Annual Conference of Information Commissioners at Delhi. She says that addressing the issue of killing of RTI activists is more important than the issue of bureaucrats. She was speaking at a seminar on the role of RTI in strengthening participatory democracy.
A two-day seminar on strengthening participatory democracy, role of RTI is underway at the International Centre. Aruna Roy and Nikhil Dey, who were the architects of the Right to Information Act, are special invitees for the seminar. Aruna Roy emphasized on the need of a Whistleblowers Act to protect the lives of RTI activists.
The transparency discourse is hurting the system even today. Yesterday, the Prime Minister made a statement with which I completely disagree. He made a statement that the efficiency of government is being harmed by the transparency provisions of the RTI Act. And if I had to answer the PM on his concern about his bureaucrats, I would say I'm much more concerned about the lives of RTI activists. Sure. What have you done for RTI activists? You are continuously talking about your civil servants who have some discomfort. But we are losing our lives. What have you done for that? That's far more important.
Nikhil Dey voiced his concern in concentrating power in one institution like Lokpal to tackle issues like corruption.
The NCPRI's main set of questions and critique has been we need to sort the issues out and problems out, but perhaps not by empowering someone else who may end up being an even bigger problem for the rest of us. It is to search for other solutions where we don't concentrate power in one single body, and let's see how that can be done.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
India and China will be among the top 10 countries leading in pharmaceuticals. Chairman of Unichem Laboratories, Dr. Prakash Modi, asserted that India will be one of the best countries to lead in pharmaceutical sector by 2015. He was speaking at a function of Medical and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency workshop.
Goa Pharmaceuticals Manufacturers Association organized a workshop on MHRA inspection and regulation. Director of FDA Salim Walji, President of GMPA Arun Naik, Senior Inspectors Michael Woodhall and John Clark and others were present for the function. Modi explained India's aspirations in pharmaceutical sector.
Purely because of the slowing down in the West, India and China are today emerging as the major pharma markets. Earlier we were fourth when it came to the volumes and were about 15th or 20th when it came to values. Now we find ourselves to be in the first 10 or moving towards the first 10. That's what the Ernst & Young report says.
Arun Naik informed us that any pharmaceutical has to get permission from MHRA to get exported in United Kingdom.
Now in Goa presently there are at least 20 pharmaceutical companies who have got MHRA approval. And because of this workshop, more and more companies will be encouraged to apply for MHRA recognition, and more companies will get it. And eventually more and more companies will start exporting to UK and other European countries. So this was the sole motive.
Our reporter in Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Seems like the garbage menace in Goa may end soon. As per the MOU signed with a company based in Karnataka, untreated, non-recyclable dry garbage from Goa will be transported to the neighbouring state. The first load of this garbage was sent out on Friday.
First truckload of the dry garbage which cannot be recycled was sent off to Karnataka as per the MOU signed by the Goa government with ACC Cement Company in Wadi. The truck was flagged off by the CCP co-opted corporator Patricia Pinto. Environment Minister Alex Sequeira, Mayor Tin Parekh and corporator Kabir Pinto were also present. Alex Sequeira informed that government is incurring expenditure on this project to keep Goa clean.
Government on the contrary is spending. Benefit of the government is basically cleaning plastic, which is a menace all over the state. Plastic strewn all over. Why is it strewn for so long all over? We did not have a solution to get rid of it, to dump it. Now we have found a source where we can get rid of it.
The procedure that goes into the project is the garbage which cannot be recycled is sent to the cement company. CCP will first compress the garbage into blocks and transport it. Each panchayat and municipality will bind the garbage in blocks and get it transported. Patricia Pinto urged the people to reduce waste.
So my appeal to citizens is please reduce waste. We are only spending more to get rid of your waste.
Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.